Okay, so quickly do it. Guys, you can turn off your video. If you want to, you can turn off your video. Your video is not required. Okay, so quickly try this question. Six men plus 8 boys can do the work in 10 days. Okay, this is our equation 1. Second equation, 26 men, 40 boys. 26 men plus 48 boys can do the same work in 2 days. Okay, this is equation 2. Now tell me, we do it. This side 1, right? So to make it 1, I will divide will increase by 10. Am I audible now? Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sorry, there was some error. Just a minute. Let me share the screen. Can you make me host? I'm not able to share the screen.
Ma'am, we are getting you.
Yes, just a minute. Okay. Yes. So, yes. So make the second equation in the similar way. So 26m plus 48 into 2, 96b is 1 day, right? And now since both is equals to 1 day, so we can equate those two equations, right? We can equate both this equation. So I can write 60m plus 80B is equals to 52M plus 96B. Why we can write it? Because both is equals to 1 day, so we can equate these two equations, right? So what will I get? 8M is equals to 16B. So it means one third equation. Correct? Am I audible, right? You can hear me, right?
Yes, ma'am, you are.
Okay. Okay.
Yes,
All
ma'am.
right. So now what will I do? Now what is what is the question asking us? 15 men. Okay, but one man is two boys. So 15 men is equals to 30 boys, right? So it means this is 30 boys plus 20 boys. It means 50 boys they're asking you basically. Okay, and now what else I can do? I can of this equation, either first one or the second one. So let me convert the first equals to 10 days given to me. Now one man is two boys, so 6 men will be 12 boys. So 12 plus 8b is equals to 10 days. It means 20 boys can do the work in 10 days. If 20 boys can do the work in 10 days, so 50 boys can do the work in how many days? This is your question now. Your question is reduced to this much. So do it. If 20 boys can do the work in 10 days, so 50 boys can do in how many days? Tell me. 4 days, yes, right? How you have done it? Tell me, 20 boys is 10 days. So 50 boys, how many days? How will you do it? Tell me. You remember we
Ma'am, can
have
I
done
explain you how did I do it?
M1 D1 is equals to M2. Sorry, M1 D1 is equals to M2 D2. In the first case, it was 20 and 10. Okay, so 20 and 10. In the second case, we have 50 and we need to find days. So 50 into D2. So D2 is equals to 0, 0 cancelled. 5 ones are 5 twos are. So 4 days is the answer. Yes, someone asking me something? Tell me. So you remember we have done this type of question. I've given you a lot of question to practice on this. Remember?
Ma'am?
Yes. So today we will do second type of time and work. So that was our first type. Okay. So today we will do second type of questions. Okay. Now this is type 2. And in this we will talking group. Earlier we were talking group, 20 men, 30 women, 50 is individual. So let's say there is a person A and there is another person B. A can do A Okay, again, there was some internet connection problem. So can you make me the host so that I can share the screen? Yes, wait a minute, wait a minute. Yes, can you please make me the host, Shoria? Yes, perfect. Okay. Yes. So the question is, A can do a work in 4 days, B can do the same work in 8 days. In how many days the work will be finished? Okay. If they work together, in how many the work will be finished? Tell me. The work as 1 unit. Let's say this is your work. Am I still audible? There's some internet problem, but I can see there's full network here. I don't know what is wrong.
Yes, ma'am, you are. We are getting you.
No, but my internet connection is okay. I don't know. Let me check again. Okay. So let's say the work is one full unit. This is your work. Okay. A can do this work in how many days? 4 days. So can I make 4 part of it? So A will come first day, he will do this much. So this is 1 day. This is second day, he will do this. Third day, he will do this. And fourth day, he will do this. A's 1 day work is 1/4, right? Because he's taking 4 days, it means 1/4, correct? A's 1 day work will be 1/4. Similarly, B's 1 day work will be how much? Tell me B's 1 day work. Everyone, tell me B's 1 day work. 1/8, right?
One by
Yes,
eight. Yes,
correct.
ma'am.
Very good. So, same way, we will make 8 part of it like this. So 1 day we will do this much, second day this much, third day this much. So basically 1/8, 1/8, 1/8 like this. So together their 1 day work will be how much? A and B's 1 day work will be how much? A and B's 1 day work. Yes, Pranit, I'll explain it again. So the question is, A can do a work in 4 days, B can do a work in 8 days. If they work together, in how many days they will finish the work? So A's 1 day work, A's 1 day work will be how much? 1/4, right? And B's 1 day work will be how much? 1/8, right? 1/4 and 1/8 of the total work. So A and B's together's 1 day work will be how much? This plus this, yes or no? 3/8, perfect. 1/4 plus 1/8. LCM is 8. This is 2 plus 1, 3/8. So if they work together, their 1 day work is 8/3. You just inverse it. Just inverse it. So in 8/3 days, they will finish the work. You will not write 8/3, you will write in fraction, in mixed fraction. So 8 divided by 3, 3 2s are 6. Remainder is 2. So I will write 2, 2/3. 2/3 days. Is it clear to everyone? So what we have done simple thing. A's 1 day work, B's 1 day work, add it, and then finally inverse it. Right? Done? Everyone? Answer is 2/3 days. Okay, let's do a similar question so that you get hands on this. B can do a work in 12 days. C can do a work in 15 days. 10 days, 12 days, 15 days. If they work together, in how many days the work will be finished? If they work together, in how many days work will be finished? So same thing you have to do. Find A's one day work, find B's one day work, find C's one day work, and then add it. And then take reciprocal of it.
Ma'am, I'm not getting you very well. Your voice broke up.
Am I audible now? So A's one day work, it's A can do a work in 10 days, B can do the same work in 12 days, C can do the same work in 15 days. If they work together, in how many days the work will be finished? This is the question. Tell me, anyone answer? So how will we do it? Just go back to the previous question and see how we have done it. Now try this. Yes, Zishan, you got it correct. Now what you have to do? Take the reciprocal of it, right? Because that's the step we were doing after adding. See here, we added it 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8, and then we got 3 by 8. Then we have written 8 by 3 because we have to take reciprocal of it. We know A and B is one day work. So to find how many days total, just take the reciprocal of it. Yes. So tell me what will be the reciprocal?
Ma'am,
Yes.
for when we want to make the addition, are we going to do
You have
like
to take LCM.
the for the
LCM.
three
Yes, for the
at
three
once?
number, you have to take LCM. I'll tell you how to take
Okay,
LCM. Wait a minute.
okay, ma'am.
So what I will do, A's one day work is 1 by 10. Similarly, B's one day work is 1 by 12. Similarly, C's one day work 1 by 15. Correct? Now you will add this 3. So 1 by 10 plus 1 by 12 plus 1 by 15. Now a lot of people are finding it difficult to take LCM. So let me show you how to do LCM. You have to take 10, 12, 15 LCM. So find the smallest number by which you can divide. By 2, 5, 6, 15. Then again 2. Now by which number I will divide? 3. And then with 5. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 is your LCM. Multiply this is your LCM. So what will be the LCM? No, Zishan, you got the correct answer in the first by 60. Now take the reciprocal. It will be 60 by 15. Correct? Divide it 60 by 15. LCM will be how much? 60. No, Pranita. Check again. 60 divided by 10 is 6. 60 divided by 12 is 5. 60 divided by 15 is 4. So I will get 15 by 60. Now what we have to do? We have to take reciprocal. So we will just do this. Okay. And now divide this. No, Zishan. 6 times. 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, right? 4 times. So in 4 days, they will finish the work together. Correct? In 4 days, they will finish the work together. Once you get the sum, you have to take reciprocal of it. Yes or no? Is it clear to everyone?
Mama, I have a question.
Yes.
Yeah, from the first example you gave, we had a remainder of 2. So if there is no remainder, we'll take the numerator.
Yes, in this one, there's no remainder. Therefore, we are getting an integer number.
Okay, that's the 4.
Right? In the previous one, we were getting remainder. Therefore, we have to do it in that manner.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, let's
Thank
do
you.
one more. Let's do one more. Okay, let's do one more. A can do a work in 30 days. B can do the work in 60 days. If they work together, working together, in how many days work will be done? Do it in the same manner, same manner. Yes, tell me. And what? Yes, correct. 3 by 60, 60 by 3. Okay, wait a minute. Zishan, you are saying 8 by 60. Okay, let's see. So, A's 1 day work is 1 by 30. B's 1 day work is 60. A and B 1 by 30 plus 1 by 60. LCM is 60. 2 plus 1, 3 by 60. Okay. Now do the reciprocal. So in 20 days, they will finish the work together. Correct answer. Okay, now let's make the question slightly different. Let's say A can do the work in 4 hours. All right. A can do in 4 hours. B and C together can do in 3 hours. B and C together they can finish in 2 hours. And third thing is in 2 hours. A and C together can do it in wait a minute, let me change the number. Let's have this is 3 hours and this is 2 hours. Okay, so A alone 4 hours, B and C 3. This is 3. A and C 2 hours. Now question is B alone. You need to find B can do the work in how many hours? A alone can do it in 4 hours, B and C together in 3 hours, A and C together in 2 hours. You need to find B alone. Try to do it. So what do I have? I have 1 by A is 1 by 4, 1 by B plus 1 by C is 1 by 3. 1 by A plus 1 by C is equals to 1 by 2. Just 3 equation, you just have to put the values correctly. So you have 3 equation in front of you, right? You have 3 equation in front of you. Equation 1, equation 2, equation 3. Can I put value from equation 1 into equation 3? I know 1 by A is 1 by 4. So can I put 1 by 4 here? So you will get the value of C. Put it. Put the value from first. Sorry, just a minute. Some network issue. I don't know what is wrong. Let me check. Yes, please. Okay. I'll do that. Yes. How did you get C is equals to 3 by 4? Tell me. See, I will put 1 by 4 here. So 1 by 4 plus 1 by C is equals to 1 by 2. 1 by C is equals to 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. It will not be plus 1 by 4. It will be minus 1 by 4. So C is equals to 1 by 4. 1 by C is equals to 1 by 4. Now put this value in the second equation. So 1 by B minus 1 by 4, right? Yes or no? Now what will be the LCM? LCM will be 12, right? And now it will be 4 minus 3. 1 by B is equals to 4 minus 3 by 12. So 1 by B is equals to 1 by 12. So B is equals to 12. So in 12 hours, B alone will do the work. Yes or no? Please mute yourself, everyone. Keep yourself muted. Okay. Let me give you one more question so that we get practice on the same thing. Okay. So let's try this one. This is easy. Just write the equations properly. Once you write the equations properly, you will get the answer. Yes, Ishan, we will do that question again, but first try to do this one. Okay, write the equations properly. Once you get the correct equation, you will definitely get the correct answer. A can do a certain work in same time as B and C together. So can I write 1 by A is equals to 1 by B plus 1 by C? Equation 1. Right? A can do a certain work in the same time in which B and C together can do it. Okay, if A and B together can do it in 10 days, means one more equation given to me, 1 by A plus 1 by B is equals to 1 by 10, right? This is my second equation. And what is third equation given to me? Yes.
Ma'am, please could you explain the first equation? How did you get it?
Read the question. A can do a certain work in the same time in which B and C together can do it. So
Sorry,
A's
ma'am.
work should be equals to B and C together, right?
Ma'am,
Yes.
my question is the first equation. How did you get it? The first equation.
Yes, read the question. A can do a certain work in the same time in which B and C together. So A is equals to B plus C together. Now, since we know from the first question, I explained you in this question that we write everything in one day's work. So therefore, we are writing 1 by everything. So therefore, we got 1 by A is equals to 1 by B plus 1 by C. Similarly, yes.
But what if we assign a particular unknown value to both?
Sorry, say it again.
Like what if we assign an unknown like X to the both, which is the work for A and B plus C?
Because it is given in the question, right? It's given in the question together, right? So B and C together. So 1 by B plus 1 by C. And why do we need to assign X or Y? Because already A, B, C is given to you. So it's better to take
Okay,
those
ma.
variable only. Yes, right.
Okay, ma.
Yes. So second equation is this. Can you tell me what is third equation? Read the question and tell me what is third equation.
1 over C is equals to 1 over 50.
Yes, perfect. That is your third equation. Okay. Now work on these equations. So what should I do? Tell me. Anyone? I will add first and I will add second and third equation. If I add second and third equation, I will get 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C, right? So add this two equation. Add equation 2 and equation 3. So what will be your left hand side value? 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
And what will be the right hand side? 1 by 10 plus 1 by 50. Do it and tell me what do you get? Arva, practice. You need practice. Once you get sufficient practice on this type of question, you will get the answer. So add this to 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C is equals to 1 by 10 plus 1 by 50. 1 by 10 plus 1 by 50 is how much? 6 by 50, right? Yes or no? Fourth equation. Correct?
Correct, ma'am.
Okay. 1 by B plus 1 by C is 1 by A. So can I write this in place of that? Can I replace 1 by B plus 1 by C by 1 by A? So 1 by A plus another 1 by A is equals to 6 by 50. Correct? So what will I get? 2 by A is equals to 6 by 50. So 1 by A is how much? 3 by 50. Add it. You have to do addition. Arva, 1 by 10 plus 1 by 50 you have to do. LCM is 50. 5 plus 1, 6 by 50. Therefore, you're getting 6 by 50. Tell me what is 1 by A? 1 by A.
Now, what's the question?
1 by A is 3 by 50. Correct? Can I put the value of 1 by A in second equation? In my second equation, I will put the value of 1 by A. So this is my second equation. I will put 3 by 50 plus 1 by B is equals to 1 by 10. right? So 1 by b is equals to 1 by 10 minus 3 by 50. Solve it. How much will be the LCM? LCM will be 50. 5 minus 3. 1 by b. 1 by b is 5 minus 3 by 50. So 2 by 50. 2 by 50 means 1 by 25. So what is the value of, what will be the value of b? Tell me. 25. Yes, 25 is the correct answer. Yes, 25. Correct. Answer is 25 because they were asking you be alone, right? They were asking you be alone. Everyone got it?
Ma'am, sorry, I have a question.
Yes.
Yeah, at the point you did 2 over a equals to 6 over 50. Then how did you get the 1 over a equals to 3 over 50? Is it half of it?
See, 2 by a, 2 is 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next question. Okay, let's do next question. A take 15 days to finish her work. B take 20 days to finish her work. A and B together. You need to find in how many days A and B together. Okay, do it. Yes. A alone can do a work in 15 days. B can do in 20. You need to find A and B together. Okay. A's 1 day work is 1 by 15. B's 1 day work is 1 by 20. So 1 by 15 plus 1 by 20. LCM is how much? 60. 4 plus 3, 7 by 60. And then I told you, what do you need to do? Reciprocal. Yes or no? So 60 by 7 days. But we have to write it in mixed fraction. 60 divided by 7. 7 8s are 56. Remainder is 4. So how do we write it? 8 4 by 7 days. Yes or no? Your final answer will be 8 4 by 7 days. Correct? Because answer options will be in this format. They will not give you 60/7. They will give you 8 4/7 in the option. Right? Okay, let's do one more. Okay, now whatever we have learned today, this individual based question, right? This they can give you same thing. Instead of person, they will say pipe. So let's say there is a tank. Okay, there is a tank in which there are two pipes, pipe A, inlet pipe. There's another pipe B, inlet pipe. Okay, question is, A can fill the tank. Pipe A can fill the tank in 10 hours. Pipe B can fill the tank in 20 hours. If both the pipe are open together, in how much time the tank will be filled? So same way, in the same manner, you have to do this question. 1 by A, 1 by B, add it, find the reciprocal of it. Yes, Pranita. So 1 by 10 plus 1 by 20, LCM is 20, 2 plus 1, 3 by 20. I told you reciprocal, it will be 20 by 3. But do we write 20 by 3 hours? No. Do write it in the mixed fraction, 20 divided by 3. 3 how many times? 3 6 are 18, remainder is 2. So how will I write? 6 2 by 3 hours. So in 6 2 by 3 hours, the tank will be filled. Correct? Your final answer will be 6 2 by 3. Ashwang, you have to take the reciprocal of it. Got it? So instead of person, they can give you pipes also. Okay, everyone, did you understand this question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next question. Now I am changing the question slightly. Okay, so pay attention. There are 3 pipes. Pipe A, pipe B, pipe C. Pipe A is inlet pipe, pipe B is also inlet pipe, but pipe C is outlet pipe. So the tank is like this. There are 2 which are filling it. Okay, 2 pipes are filling it, but there is 1 pipe which is emptying it. It is outgoing. Okay, so outlet pipe. So A can fill the tank in, let's say, 6 hours. B can fill the tank, let's say, in 8 hours. But pipe C can empty the tank in 12 hours. Now question is, if all 3 pipes are opened together, in how much time the tank will be filled? So 2 are positive working, 1 is negative working. You get it? It is doing the opposite of the other two pipes. So one is negative one working, one is positive working. How to do this question? Tell me. So what will I do? 1 by 6 plus 1 by 8, but minus 1 by 12, right? Yes or no? Because C is doing the negative work. So I will write 1 by 6 plus 1 by 8 minus 1 by 12. Yes, because it's doing the negative work. So you have to be careful when in the exam, if it is about pipe and tank or something, you read the question properly.
And please, can you go back to the last slide so that I can screenshot it?
Yes, I'll give you that. Take the screenshot of this if you want to. Because C is doing the negative work, therefore we have written minus 1 by 12. Tell me the answer. LCM of 6, 8, 12. Divide by 2. Again divide by 2. Again divide by 2. Now divide by 3. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. LCM will be how much? 24. Right? LCM will be 24. Yes. So 24. 24 divided by 6 is 4. 24 divided by 8 is 3. 24 divided by 12 is 2. So 4 plus 3, 7 minus 2, 5 by 24. Right? Again, take the reciprocal. Take the reciprocal, 24 by 5 hours. But we will write answer in the fractional. So 5 fours are 20. 4 is the remainder. So how will I write answer? 4 by 5 hours. So in how many hours the tank will be filled? 4 by 5 hours. Got it, everyone? Yes, Ashwang, your answer is absolutely correct. Pranita, your answer is also correct. Everyone understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next question. Okay, next question is A can do a work in 16 days. A can do a work in 16 days. B can do the same work in 12 days. A, B, and C together finish the work in 4 days. A alone 16, B alone 12, and together A, B, C in 4, right? So the question is you need to find C alone. You need to find C alone. Do it. Pranita, your answer is correct. Ashwang, tell me in mixed fraction. Tell me your answer in mixed fraction. Yes, now your answer is correct. Everyone, please do this question. It's a very easy question. You just have to put the values in the equation properly. Everyone, please tell your answers. Only 2 people gave me the answer till now. What about others? Zishan? It's simple question. Everyone, you have to solve this question and tell me the answer. So I will simply put 1 by a value and 1 by b value in the third equation. So 1 by 16 plus 1 by 12 plus 1 by c is equals to 1 by 4, right? Just 1 by 4. So if I put the value 1 by c is equals to 1 by 4 minus 1 by 16 minus 1 by 12. What will be the LCM? What will be the LCM? Yes, Shurya, your answer is correct. LCM is 48.
48.
Yes. So 12 minus 3 minus 4. 1 by c is equals to 5 by 48. Answer is 48 by 5. Write it in the fractional form. So 5 9s are 45, remainder is 3. 9 3 by 5 days is the final answer. Correct?
Yeah, Mama, I have a question also. Yeah, I tried using 2 to divide 16, 12, and 4. And my denominator, like my LCM, came out to be 28. Whereas why
No,
I started
LCM
with
will be
4.
48. LCM will be 48.
Yeah, because I tried using 2 first before I now used 4 before I got 48.
No, but that is the wrong way, right? You have to get 48.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now we have done very simple question till now. I'm going to make the question slightly of a higher level. Let's say A can do a work in 12 days. B can do the work in, wait a minute, A can do the work in 10 days. B can do in 12. And C can do it in 15 days. Okay. Now listen to the question very carefully. Okay, listen to the question very carefully. B left the work 2 days before completion. So whenever the estimated time, whenever the work is getting completed, B is leaving the work 2 days before. And C left the work 1 day before completion. Okay, is it clear to everyone? All three of them started to work together. A, B, and C. A, B, C started to work together. Then B left the work 2 days before finishing. And C left the work 1 day before finishing. So the question is, how many days, in how many days the work will be finished? Okay. In how many days the work will be finished? Now, before starting to solve this question, let's think. A is the person who is working from starting till the end, right? A is not going anywhere. A is there from the starting till end. B is there for how many days?
10 days.
No.
12.
2 days less. Whatever be the number, we don't know what the number is right now. Do we know the number? No, we do not know what number is it. But we know that B leaves 2 days before, right? And C leaves 1 day before, correct? So let's say the total number of days is, let's say, X. So A worked for how many days? A worked for how many days? Let's say the total number of days is X. So A is working from the first day to last day. So A is working for X days, right? B is working for how many days? Think and tell me. B is working for how many days?
X minus 2
days.
X minus 2. Very good. X minus 2 days. And C is working for how many days?
X minus 1.
Perfect. So we got to know A is working for X days, B is working for X minus 2, C is working for X minus 1. Okay. What is A's 1 day work? 1 by 10. What is B's 1 day work? 1 by 12. What is C's 1 day work? 1 by 50. So A is working for how many days? X days. So X into 1 by 10 plus B is working for how many days? X minus 2. So X minus 2 into 1 by 12 because it's 1 by 12. And similarly, C will be how much? X minus 1 into 1 by 15. Correct? Yes or no? Is this equation clear to everyone? A is working for X days, so X by 10. B is working for X minus 2 days, so X minus 2 by 12. And C is working for X minus 1 day, so X minus 1 by 15. This should be equals to 1 because I told you we always take work as 1 unit. Work as 1 unit, right? So this is our equation. Solve it. Solve this. So what is the equation? X by 10 plus X minus 2 by 12 plus X minus 1 by 15 is equals to 1. LCM is 60. 60 divided by 10, 6 into X plus 60 divided by 12, 5 plus 60 divided by 15, 4 equals to 1. This 60 will go over this side. So 60, 6x plus 5x minus 10 plus 4x minus 4 equals to 60. 6x plus 5x, 11 plus 4, 15x minus 10 will go that side plus 10, and then minus 4 will also go on that side plus 4. 15x is equals to 74. X is equals to 74 by 15, right? 74 by 15. Write it in the fractional value. Write it in the fractional value. 74 divided by 15. 15 how many times? 15 fours are 60. 14. So answer is 4, 14 by 15 days. This is your answer. So in 4, 14 by 15 days, the work will be finished. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, when you did this 6x plus 5x, the denominator, which is the LCM 60, why did you take it to the other side?
Sorry, I'm not able to hear you. Can you type in the comment box? Can you write it in the comment box? Okay, let's do one more question, just like this. A can do the work in 10 days, B can do the work in 12 days, C can do the work in 15 days. They started to work together. A left 2 days before completion and B left 1 day before completion. Note down the question. A, B, C, 10, 12, 15 is given to you. They started to work together. A left the work 2 days before completion and B left the work 1 day before completion. In how many days the work will be finished? Similar question. Total sum. Where is total sum is 60. Okay, so this 60 in the denominator, na? This denominator will go on that side, right?
Why, ma?
Because that's how maths work, right? You have to learn basic calculation. Okay. Learn the basic calculation because it's divided on the left hand side. On left hand side 60 is in denominator, so if you have to take on right hand side it will go in numerator. Okay, anyway, this is the question. Do it in the similar manner. First of all, let's say total number of days is X. A work for how many days, B work for how many days. Make equation similar to this one. Just like this question, you have to do this question.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
please can I get the screenshot of the last question we just did now,
Yes.
please?
Yes. Take this screenshot.
Next one.
Next one. Okay.
Thank you.
Could you go to the next slide, please?
Yes, next one. Wait, I'll show you. Okay, done, everyone. So how will I do it? B is the one who is working for all x days. A is working for x minus 2 and C is working for x minus 1. So x minus 2 upon 10 plus x upon 12 plus x
Ma'am,
minus 1 upon 15 is equals to 1. Yes, tell me. This will be your equation.
ma'am, B is working for
Because, oh sorry, wait a minute. B is leaving, na? Sorry, my mistake. B minus 1 and C is working for all days. Yes. So x minus
X
2
minus
upon
1
10
days. The
plus
days.
x minus 1 upon 12 plus x upon 15 is equals to 1. Take LCM 60.
Oh.
6x minus 2 plus 5x minus 1 plus 4x is equals to 1. 12x minus, sorry, 6x minus 12 plus 5x minus 5 plus 4x is equals to 60. 6x plus 5x, 11 plus 4, 15x. 15x is equals to 12 minus 12 minus 5 minus 17 plus 70. 17, so 77. X is equals to 77 by 15. Answer is 5, 2 by 15 days. Yes, Pranita, your answer is correct. Only one person has given me the right answer till. It is exactly same as the question we have done. Okay, let's do one more question. Now I'm changing the question. Listen to the question very carefully and then do the question. A take 10 days, B take 12 days, C take 15 days. Okay. All of them all started to work together. Now B left after 2 days. and C left after 3 days. In how many days the work will be complete? In how many days the work will be complete? Difference, there is a difference between the previous question and this question. In the previous question, please mute yourself. I'll mute you. So what is the difference? The difference is in the previous question, B was leaving 2 days before completion. Before completion, right? And C leaves 1 day before completion. Now they're saying B started the work and after 2 days he left. So B worked only for 2 days. C worked only for 3 days. So B worked for 2 days. C worked for 3 days. A worked for X days. Okay, so how will I do it? X by 10 plus 2 by 12 plus 3 by 15 is equals to 1, right? Yes or no? What is the answer? LCM will be how much? 60. 6x plus 5 2s are 10 plus 4 3s are 12 is equals to 1. 6x is equals to 60 minus 10 minus 12. Do it. Do the calculation. 60 minus 10 minus 12, 38. 6x is equals to 38. X is equals to 38 by 6. Right? What is the answer? 6, 2 by 6. You can cancel it first. Wait a minute. First, we will cancel it. 2 3s are 2 how many times? 38 divided by 2? 19. 19 by 3. So 6, 1 by 3 days. Right? 6, 1 by 3 days. Everyone got the correct answer? 6, 1 by 3 days? Yes, Pranita, your answer is correct. Ashwang, please check your answer.
Ma'am.
Please keep yourself muted. Write in the comment box. Please write in the comment box. Everyone, whatever doubt you have, please write in the comment box. Okay, so you have to read the question properly. Okay, if you read the question properly, then you will get the correct answer. So you have to be careful whether the person is leaving after 2 days or leaving 2 days before completion. Before completion, 2 days means x minus 2. Leaving after 2 days means only 2 days. Right? Okay. Let's do one more question. No, read the question. That's why I'm telling you, read the question properly. Once you read the question properly, then only you will get the right answer. Okay, let's do another question. Okay, now I will not help you. You have to read it properly and do it. Take 5 minutes, but read the question carefully and then only do the question. Take the screenshot of the last slide. Now do this one. Okay, take 5 minutes, read the question properly, and then start solving it. Do not jump directly to solve. Yes. Okay. A, B, C together can do a work in 10 days. So 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C is 1 by 10. Okay. All three started working together, and after 4 days, A left. So all three worked total together how many days? 4 days. So it means this is done 4 times. This is 1 day, na? This is their 1 day work. So in 4 days, how much will be finished? This much finished, correct? This much work done. So I will write work done in first 4 days. In first 4 days, how much work done? 4 by 10 work is done, right? Remaining work is how much? Remaining work will be 1 minus this. So remaining work will be 6 by 10. Yes or no? This is your remaining work, right? Okay. And this remaining work, who is doing? This remaining work is done by whom? B and C in how many days? In 10 days. So in 10 days, 6 by 10 work is done. Yes, by B and C, 6 by 10 work is done. So 6 by 10, instead of 6 by 10, I will write 2 3s are 2 5s are 3 by 5. Correct. So remaining work is how much? 3 by 5. And it is done by B and C in how many days? In 10 days. Okay. So B and C take 10 days to complete 3 by 5 work. Okay. So 1 by B plus 1 by C is equals to, tell me, 1 by 10, and that is how much? This will be 3 by 5 into 1 by 10, right? Because in 10 days, so 1 day work is 3 by 10 and 3 by 5. So 1 by B plus 1 by C is 3 by 50, correct? Yes or no? Everyone, is this clear? 3 by 5 into 1 by 10? Yes. Just put the value. Put this value in our first equation here. यहाँ पे. This value here. So if I write it over here, 1 by A plus 3 by 50 is equals to 1 by 10. 1 by A is equals to 1 by 10 minus 3 by 50. LCM is 50. 5 minus 3. 1 by A. 1 by A is equals to 2 by 50. 1 by A is equals to 2 by 50. 2 by 50 is how much? 1 by 25. So 1 by A is equals to 1 by 25. It means A is equals to 25. So what is there asking you in the question? In how many days A will complete the work alone? 25. Yes, 25. Okay, one last question for today. Do this question. This is also easy question. So A is 24, B is 30, C is 40. All of them to work together. But C left the work 4 days before completion. So let's say X days. So A worked for full X days, B also worked for X days, but C worked for X minus 4 days. So X upon 24 plus X upon 30 plus X minus 4 upon 40 is equals to 1. How much is the LCM, Pranita? What is the LCM? 24, 30 and 40 LCM? 120, correct? 120 divided by 24. 5x. 120 divided by 30, 4x. Sorry, 120 divided by 40, 3x minus 4 equals to 1. So 5x plus 4x plus 3x minus 12 is equals to 120. 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 3, 12x. Mine is equals to 120 plus 12. 12x is equals to 132. X is equals to 132 divided by 12. No, Ashwang, check your answer. No. Check calculation mistake. You might have done some calculation mistake. Check it. I've written it over here. Check. Answer is 11. Everyone got it? Tell me, everyone done? Yes, okay. One more question I'll give you. One last question. Read the question properly, then only start doing it. First, read the question. Okay. So in this question, they have given you A and B together, B and C together, C and A together. So before starting to solve the question, actually you have to find A individual, B individual, and C individual. So this is equation 1, equation 2, equation 3. Add all the equation, add it, add this 3 equation. So write down this 3 equation and add it. So if I add left hand side, what will I get? 2 by A, because 1 by A plus 1 by A. Similarly, 2 by B, similarly 2 by C is equals to, add 1 by 30 plus 1 by 24 plus 1 by 20. LCM is how much? 120. 4 plus 5 plus 6. 5, 11, 11 plus 15 by 120. Take 2 common. 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C is equals to 15 by 120. This 2 will go here, right? 3 5s are 15. 3 how many times? 40 times. So 5 1s are 5, 5 8s are 1 by 16. So what I'm getting, 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C is equals to 1 by 16. Right? Okay. Now find A alone. Find A alone. So how do I find A alone? Put equation 2 value in this. Put equation 2 value in this. Put equation 2 value in the final equation. So 1 by A plus, what is 1 by B plus 1 by C? 1 by 24. So 1 by 24 is equals to 1 by 16. So 1 by A is equals to 1 by 16 minus 1 by 24. Solve it. LCM how much? 16 and 24. 48, right? LCM is 48. 48. 3 minus 2. So 1 by A is equals to 1 by 48. Okay. Correct. Okay. Now we will start solving the question. Okay. So read the question. They all work together for 10 days. It means all of them, A, B, C, work for 10 days. So 1 day work is 1 by 16. So 10-day work will be 10 by 16. They all worked for 10 days, right? They all worked for 10 days. So 10 by 16 work is done. Then who leaves? B and C leaves. Correct? B and C leaves. How many days more will A take to finish the work? So let's say X more days. So X days, and what is 1 day work? 1 by 48. So now plus X by 48 equals to 1. Right? They all work together for 10 days. So 10 by 16 plus X by A's value 1 by 48. Okay, so let's solve it. LCM is 48. 3 is here, 3 tens are 30 plus X is equals to 1. 30 plus X is equals to 48. X is equals to 18. X is equals to 18. This is total number of days. 18 is your total number of days. But how many days work is already done? How many days work is already done? Tell me. So A will take how many days? 18 days, right? How many days more will A finish the work? 18 days. Is it clear to everyone? Tell me. You need practice. I'll give you link to solve such questions. Wait, let me give you the link to solve these type of questions. Check the comment section. Everyone, please check the chat box. Okay, click on that link. Click on that link. So there are a lot of questions like this. Okay, this is page 1. If you scroll down, you will see page 1, 2, 3 like this. So many pages are there. Right? Yes, I'll share the previous screen. All right, everyone. Okay, so tomorrow we will do same thing. We will continue solving these time and work question because I think you need more practice on this type of question, right? So we'll practice more tomorrow.
Ma'am,
Yes.
yeah, concerning the other topics like percentage, directions, I'm going to still go back to those topics, or we should
I
watch the
think,
YouTube video.
wait. I think there are recordings, so you can go back and watch the recordings.
Okay,
I think you
ma'am.
have joined late. Did you join the classes late? Because we have done all of these topics.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I joined late.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
So you have to check the recordings.
Okay, ma'am.
Pranita, can you guide him? Pranita, Arva, can you guide him? There are links to this topic on YouTube, I guess. So you can watch the previous classes.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Okay, all right. All right, guys. See you tomorrow. See you in the tomorrow's class. And please, everyone, be on time. Tomorrow we'll start the session exactly at 2 o'clock. Okay. Don't be late. Okay. Bye, everyone.